Hi! In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings, choose Bluetooth and click on the switcher. Then wait for available devices to show up and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. After that, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. But if you wish to forget this connection, you can always click on this little icon next to the device and choose Forget this device. Then confirm your choice by tapping on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!